Hello, this is Vis 3D Studio. Today I am going to show you how to convert image sequence into video very easily. First, you need the Blender software. You can download it easily. So from this interface, you can choose video editing. Then you can change this resolution. I have 4K image sequence, so I change it according to it. So after that, you can choose the frame rate and how many images you have for sequence. So now you can select the location for video. In the encoding, you have to select this as a high quality. In here, you have to select video sequencer, then select this add button, and you can select the image sequence from the your folder. First, select the first image, then go to bottom down and do a left mouse click while holding the shift key. Then you can select all. Now you can click this render tab and choose render animation.